In this lesson, you learn how to draw a line with a line segment tool. You also learn that a path is made of. If you want to learn about it, you can open the document, open the practice file that you downloaded. You start out by adding some branches in the trunk to the tree. To draw a straight line, you will select the line segment. So press and hold on the shape tool you will see here in the tool panel. I see the ellipse tool. You might see another shape tool. Select the line segment tool. Come out into your design and draw a line. You press and drag the direction you want the line to go. So move the pointer into the tree shape. Press and drag down. Notice that you can move in just about any direction to create a straight line. Now, the gray box you see that shows this distance and the angle is the measurement label. It can be really useful when you need to be more precise. When the line looks something like this, release the mouse. Now, if you didn't see the gray label, choose View, Smart Guide to turn them on. In Illustrator, this line you draw is called a path. A path is made up at least 2 anchor points. You can see them here on the end of the line. And the line segment connecting those anchor points. You can create all kinds of paths in Illustrator. Straight path and or lines, curved path, or a whole lot more. After drawing this line, you can easily edit without having to switch tools. To edit the direction and length of this line, click and drag, and you will see that you can move one of the points, and you can press the shift key. The line will be constrained to 45 degrees. When it's straight up and down, release the mouse button. And then the key. Now to change how thick the line is, you can change what's called the stroke weight. In the property panel to the right of the document, change the stroke weight to 2 points by clicking the up arrow here. Now you create a few more lines that will become the branches of the tree. Move the pointer over the line you just draw somewhere in the tree. Press and drag to create a small line like you see here. Draw one more, so you have 2. Now you make a copy of the line and move it below the building. Select the selection tool and click and select the first line you drew, the trunk of the tree. To copy it, choose Edit, Copy, then Edit, Paste. We want this line to be straight across horizontally. It's going to go right below these buildings. So to rotate a line, move the pointer just off of one end of the line. And then when you see a little rotate arrow appear, click and drag to rotate the line. When the line is perfectly horizontal, release the mouse button. Now to move a line you've drawn, you can drag it from the center point. So drag the line down below these buildings. To make the line longer, drag the right end of the line to the right. You see these magenta lines, again, it's called smart guides. They are indicating that you are making the line right. You are extending it. Now you change the stroke weight and the color of this line. With the line still selected, drag the stroke weight on the property panel on the right to 16 point. To choose 16 point from the menu, to change the color of the line, click the stroke color in the property map panel. Click and swatches panel. You can see the bunch of colors called swatches you can choose from. And then select an orange. Now that you know how to create an added line, you can practice creating them by adding to these buildings. Maybe try to add some lines to this window, even changing the stroke color and stroke weight in the property panel to the right.